With Google Workspace, Calendar lets you share your latest availability, so customers can book time on your calendar without any back and forth.
Welcome to today's stream. You're here. Watching New York live stream on the 19th of February. Guys, if you're watching this video, you enjoy my content, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also, I provide more of this content inside of my free Telegram and Discord. Link to both are in the description box down below. Okay. Yes, Mark, how you doing, my bro? You good? You good? Money day, my bro, money day. Okay, so right now, gold does look like it wants to pop the high again. Right, we're currently working inside of this hourly candle. It doesn't look like we are going to head for Tokyo's low on gold for the time being. So if we work inside this hourly candle, which is the area where we're currently getting a push from, okay, if we can get a little pullback and a little test, we can look to go long potentially, right? I'm gonna start looking at the top of this 5-minute candle here. I'm gonna set some alerts as we get closer to the area, right? As you guys know, money day everyone. As you guys know, the standard 40 pip stop is what we're gonna play with this, which I mean, it's not ideal. It doesn't cover the whole low, but it gives us enough to kind of work with, right? For the dollar as well, for the time being, we are currently getting a push up, right? So yesterday I said to you guys, like, look, it would be good if we actually had a retracement there on the dollar, right? So this is going to be a bit of an impulsive entry so far by the looks of it. Let's just focus here for a second. Okay. The only issue at the moment right now, can you guys hear me? Yeah, audio's fine. The only issue at the moment right now is we do have price testing this 5-minute candle here for gold. We're currently getting a bit of a rejection to the downside. Okay. Okay, so half hour candle closes in about 12, 13 minutes. Hourly candle closes in the next, let's just say 42, 42, 43, 41 minutes. Guys, if you're watching the live stream right now and you haven't dropped a like on the live, drop a like on the live, guys. Drop a like on the live. So, so far, let's just wait and see if we can get a little rejection out of this area. I kind of want to see the dollar pull back a little bit on the hourly. If we can get a little bit of a pullback, that'll be quite good, right? That'll be sufficient enough for gold to give us a little bit of a buy. That's what I'm banking on at the moment. If we can get a drop off at this 2-minute candle, that would be quite good. Let's see. Did we break all time? Wow, gold did break all time highs. Okay, this is a bit techie. This is a little bit techie, guys. Okay, let's just see. Let's just play what we see. Keep it simple.
This is Amazon's new money maker.
Play what we see.
Let me show you how it works. That app is called.
Let's just play what we see, guys. Yeah. I like the initial reaction that we've gotten from gold, right? The initial reaction is not that bad. Like, it's quite a good push to the upside. It's definitely showing intent to push higher. And even when I look at things from the London session, right? We had 7 here, 5, 8 here, right? We had 8 o'clock here. A little push down low and we pushed up. My only problem, right, or my only potential issue here is, you know, what did London session do, right? London session went to take out the all-time highs, right? So London session is up here. So my whole thing is, was London session a sweep of the highs for us to get a move drop lower, right? Because like I said to you guys yesterday, we've got a lot of areas below that we can actually pull down to and retrace and get a much better buy from. That is a very, very good potential, right? That has good potential. So let's just see what we can get for now. I will more likely than not take this buy. Let's take a little small buy there, see how it progresses for now. Because right now this price action is just pretty good to come down. It's pretty good to come down. Even when I look inside of this area here, we were kind of chilling inside the area, hovering, and then pump, right? So let's see what happens. I need to get my menu. Guys, if you haven't liked the live stream already, make sure you drop a like on the live. I'm trying to get my where's the menu? Scaling, full projector, window. Oh. Okay, gold is starting to push up a little bit. Gold might not pull down low enough, you know. We definitely want to take the buy from there. Guys, if you're new to the live stream, you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to drop a like on the live stream, guys. Don't forget to drop a like on the live stream. We're currently looking at gold buys. If you guys enjoy more of this content, more is provided inside of my Telegram and Discord. They are both free, and the link to both of them are in the description box of this video down below. Gold may start to move without us. Let's see if we can get a little move here on gold. S&P, Dow Jones coming down. Nasdaq's also coming down. Guys, Bitcoin, for those of you that were trading Bitcoin last night, well done, well done, well done. We had an incredible sell yesterday. We've literally just come to the exact same area again. So there is a potential for us to drop back down lower. If you were looking for the buys yesterday, okay, we had all these breaks of these highs with this push up, right? If we go to the line chart, we had all these lower highs, we had price push above them, giving us new highs, right? We had a pullback down from here into this 5-minute candle, and we just shot off, really, right? But we're definitely back up into the area to look for another short. Let's play it by ear, because I'm quite surprised that we had such a huge drop down. Well, it's not huge by Bitcoin standards, but you get the point I'm saying. We had quite a decent drop down and then just an instant pullback. Okay, so we may only get like a slight drop today. We may get a drop to this half-hour candle at the price of 95.84 2. But I do think that there is a good chance of this to drop as well. Okay, DXY is continuing to push higher. So that you guys are aware, I am going to start buying once we drop down low enough. Once we start to drop, I will start buying. Sorry guys if I can't see your comments. For some reason it's turned off on my side here. I'm trying to even find it. Settings, program, scene, source. No, what is that? Appearance.
Don't worry about tomorrow. It's out of your hands right now.
Hi there! Did you know you can perfectly legally, through a government scheme, earn £1 million a year completely?
For some reason the chat box isn't popping up here. Scene, edit. And even on YouTube, it's not. I can see you guys are chatting. Someone said something recently. Hold on. Come on, gold. Drop down to the area, please. Don't start moving without us. This looks like quite a decent push, guys. Let me check the comment section. Okay, cool. Mark says, what's good, people? I'm good, bro. Thank you. Let's get it. Gold's flying again. Was in a buy, got stopped out. Then shot. Money Day, Joe. Money Day, Zeno. What's happening, my bro? Can I turn my mic up a bit? Okay, cool. How's the mic now, bro? Do you hear me clearer now? Ritesh says hello. Hello, Ritesh. What's happening, my brother? Yeah, Mark said the same thing. Sorry, bro. It's just usually I have the live chat section here on my other screen, but for some reason it's not popping up. And even on YouTube, there's a 404 sign. Anyways, Gift, money day, bro. Gift says we got a red folder news shortly, right? from memory, we should do. We've got, well, it's not a red folder, but we've got housing permits coming out really soon. We've already had CPI for the pound. We've got housing permits, which is a 3-star here. And then we've got FOMC. So if you're using like, I'm using investing.com, but if you're using a site like, what's the other site? There's a site that you can get your financial, MyFXBook, right? If you're using MyFXBook, you'll may see stuff like housing permits, building permits as high impact, whereas other, you know, economic calendar providers won't classify it as high impact, so it can get a little bit confusing. Guys, if you're watching the live stream right now and you enjoy the live stream, make sure you drop a like on the live. If you enjoy this type of content, more of this content is provided for free inside of my Telegram and Discord. Link to both of those are in the description box down below. If you got any questions, put it inside the chat box and I'll gladly have a conversation with you. We got Diego in the chat. Morning, my bro. Morning, Diego. Money day, money day. How you doing, man? You good? Let's keep the energies going. Right now, the 5-minute picture on the dollar does look like it wants to drop lower, which is not really ideal for gold right now because we haven't really come to the area that we're looking to go long from. Not to worry. We do have these building permits, so let's see if it can actually do something to the dollar, at least for the time being. If you got any questions, let's put it inside of the chat box, guys. Inside of the chat box. Okay. Yep, dollar's dropping off right now. 15-minute picture looks good to drop. Half hour looks okay. Half hour picture is not really giving me enough confidence to say that we'll definitely come down on the dollar. We could still push back up again, so let's just take it by ear for now anyways. Let's take a look at the 1-minute picture here. Let's see how that prints for now. But still waiting for this area here on gold. If we get it, great. If we don't, it wouldn't be great, to be honest with you. Had that pretty nice wick here. Let's see if we'll get a push up out of here. Mark says in the chat box, Forex Factory says orange fold in 1 minute. Okay, bro. Let's see. We got the building permits, 1.483 million, so that is better than expected. The housing starts is worse than expected for the dollar. So it's a mixed bag of nuts, as they say. So we'll see how the market wants to react off of that. The main mover for today will be FOMC. You know, in terms of what's actually going to give us a move today is going to be FOMC. Okay, gold's dropping now. To be honest, guys, what I would like for us to do this session or this live stream is get into a move, have that move hit TP or very close to TP, right? And then we can relax until FOMC later today. So far, the 4-hour picture does look good to continue pushing for gold, to be honest with you. Daily picture has broken the high now. So we're literally back bullish on the daily. Daily can definitely give us a pullback lower, right, to let's just say like 29.07. But this is going to be like, you know, maybe potentially next week, maybe potentially like later on this week if we get a huge move from FOMC. But we'll have to see. Let me see. If I start buying here, stop will have to be like 60 pips. I mean, it's not bad.
Anyone struggling with dementia, do not drink cold water.
It's not looking bad at all.
Memory loss is all about.
Guys, if you're watching the live stream right now and you're enjoying the content so far, guys, drop a like on the video. Drop a like on the live. Helps the live reach out to more people and helps in the YouTube algorithm. If you got any questions, drop a question inside the chat box. If you're new, you're watching the live stream for the first time, come say hello inside the chat box. Everyone here will welcome you. Okay. To be honest, I do want to start buying gold. Let's take a look at EU. EU may potentially drop off. Okay. Yeah, there goes gold. Gold looks pretty strong, guys. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, right? I'm gonna give it, right, until we break this high, right? If we don't break this high, I'm gonna wait for this area here for a buy. If we break this high, then I'm gonna look around here for a little pullback re-entry to then take out the highs. I just don't want to buy here or start buying here when there's a good chance that we're gonna drop down lower. So let's see. Mark says I'm tripping. I was looking at yesterday. It's all good, my bro. Yeah, gold wants to go. Okay. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Not the best price action on Bitcoin as well. Alright guys, don't stress, just hold the line. If you're already in buys for gold, maybe from earlier, I know a lot of you guys tend to get into some trades earlier, that's fine. I'm just waiting for this high here. Let's see how this high does. Bitcoin's currently pushing 96.34, 96.35.4, 35.8. 96,390, 94, almost 96,400. Okay, Bitcoin's rising. Cool. Dollar's also dropping off as well. I mean, where do I see the DXY dropping to? Like, obviously this half-hour candle's low, right?
These are my top writing tips.
And see if we can fill this imbalance here on the half-hour.
I would recommend drafting 5 ideas out. So I like to create outlines.
So that's gonna be the area where I'm gonna look to see if we can get a pullback to, and then we'll prep for FOMC. The interesting thing is pre-FOMC is we've actually got the most recent high and Tokyo's low still intact, right? Last night's Tokyo low. We've got these candles as well from Trump's speeches or comments that he made in the previous week as well. Bitcoin's at 96,450. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do, right? If we get a pull down back into this little imbalance here, I'm gonna start taking a very small buy on gold. I still do prefer this area, to be honest with you. But I'm just gonna get a little skin in the game. Yeah, we're going for that low. Dow's dropping as well. Nasdaq's dropping. Okay. What are you guys looking at the moment? Let me know. You looking to buy gold? Are you looking at GU? Are you looking at GJ? What other pairs are you guys looking at? Okay. Still looking for those buys on gold. Gift says looking for a buy too on gold. Rita says I'm in a buy. Ritesh, guys, we need to jump on Ritesh's live stream because bro is always in a buy or sell way before everyone. Ritesh says he's in a buy from 29.38. What's that? 29.38. Okay, so that's around. Okay, it's quite recent. Fair enough. Mark says if it breaks, I might enter a swing long. Okay. I can see a flag pattern forming on BTC on daily BTC. What do you mean by flag pattern, bro? Are you buying or selling off of it? Let me know, bro. Joseph says in a Nash short, looking to sell gold at 29.42. Damn, you're looking to short where we're looking to buy, Joe? Okay, fair enough. Best football moment says, bro, I lost 300 on my funded today on phase 1. Oh my days. Tomorrow you hopefully cook. Ritesh is on smoke. Trust me, bro. Best football moments. Don't worry, man. You'll recover it. You're quite aggressive in your way that you trade, so those losses are bound to happen from time to time. Okay, gold's dropping now. Whoa, that candle was crazy. Okay, I'm in a little small buy here for gold. My price, to be honest, I got put up a little bit too high, you know. 2940.44. Yeah. Alright, my SL's quite big. My SL's down there. My TP is at 2968.93, 2968, 2968. Long story short, my TP is high, right? I think it's like 1 to 2. Okay, it's more than the 1 to 3 R, right? But I've taken a little small buy here on gold. It looks like it may want to move. I've made sure I've put my SO beneath the original area. If gold continues to drop, right, and it comes down to the area that we're looking for earlier, I'm going to take a normal buy, okay? I'm going to take my normal risk, normal buy. Guys, if you're watching the live stream and you're enjoying the live stream so far, make sure you drop a like on the live, guys. Drop a like on the live. Okay, Mark says in the chat, I'm looking to buy BTC if it breaks through the flag pattern. I think I've identified. What's this flag pattern all about, guys? I don't know what it is. Can someone explain, please? Joe says there's 1 hour imbalance below the area we are looking to buy from. Okay, let's take a look, bro. So there's an hour. Okay, so because what's the price for the hourly imbalance, Joe? Are you saying it's this one here? I'm assuming you're talking about this one, yes? DXY is dropping. Joe, talk to me. I'm assuming it's that low there, yeah? So if you are looking to buy here, why are you looking to sell from 29.42? Don't get me wrong, bro. I'm not saying like you're wrong in looking for a sell. I just want to understand where your thought process is, like why you decide to take a buy or a short from there. Does that make sense? Let me know why, bro. Because if you're looking to buy here, what reasons do you have to sell? Does that make sense? Let me check the chat. Best football moment says in the chat, I entered with a 0.4 lots at 29.33, then got out at 29.36. Had to wait 5 more minutes, then I would have been profitable. My fund did. Just let the trade hit your SL or TP, my bro. It was much lower. Joe says 29.30. Let me see. So you're saying 29.30.33, 29.30.33. Okay, so where price currently is now, so let me go to the hourly. So you're saying that there was no liquidity taken, yes? I mean, okay, I get you, bro. Because here's the thing, right? Or like, look, for sure price can definitely drop down lower, right? But For me, I'm thinking about what's happened during Tokyo, what's happened during London, and potentially what might happen during the FOMC. Like, you could definitely be right in saying like gold will drop off. Maybe it doesn't drop off now, maybe it drops off during FOMC, and then we get those much lower prices. Like, to be honest, later on this evening during FOMC, I would prefer to see lower prices on gold. For New York, I would prefer to see slightly higher prices, right? You know, we may get a huge down candle like we did, right? A huge sell-off like we did last week. Okay, so let's see if we can get that move there. But let's see what happens here. I want to play this area first. If I'm wrong inside of this area, that's fine. I'll just have to play a much lower area either today or later on during FOMC. But I still do think it's worth playing these areas, you know. But thank you for sharing your suggestion, Joe. I think you should be in profit for NAS because it has been coming down. You're trying to get 2 for 2 for NAS today, aren't you, Joe? Let's see, we've just made a new low there on the half hour for the DXY. Right, let's see if we can get a little pullback going and another potential drop. But let's see how it does. Put a little alert there. Alright, so we've just tapped the area, guys. Buy limit's been hit. I'm in on the buy. I'm in. Let's see how this does. If we hit stop, we hit stop. We'll come back later on this afternoon. Let's see how this does. Okay, Zeno says, what is FYC, bro? FYC. I think you mean FOMC. I think that's what you mean, right, bro? Let me know. Mark says he had a buy limit set as well. Okay, nice. Oof, getting some big candles there on the 1 minute. Let's see, guys. Looks like we're gonna hit stop. What's Bitcoin doing? We had an alright. Oh, that hourly candle does not look good for gold. That hourly candle, how it's printing right now, looks incredibly bearish for gold. Let's just leave this play out. Let's see if it hits stop or TP. We're pushing straight through this area. Straight through. pushing straight through this area. Whoops. We literally haven't had, especially on the 1 minute, we haven't had a single bullish candle yet. That's insane. Okay, cool. We'll probably hit stop with this. It looks pretty likely. Very, very close. Very, very close to stop, guys. It's dumping, trust me. I'm about to get tapped on this side. Anyways, let's see what it does. Okay. I've been tapped. Let's see. Okay, GIF says before pumping up again. Let's see if it does. Because that's quite a drop, to be honest. Let me play some music.
With Google Workspace, Drive
Okay, so
lets
we
you
took a
easily
little L on
save
that one.
files, making videos, PDFs, and over 100 other file types accessible from wherever you are.
Let's see if we can get a single bullish candle. We haven't had a single bullish 1 minute candle.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
Gift, you might be right. Dumping off before pumping straight back up again. I want to see how this hourly candle is going to close. This hourly candle is pretty bearish. It's pretty bearish. Let's see. Guys, if you're watching the live stream so far and you're enjoying the live stream, make sure you drop a like on the live. Now that we're getting a drop off on the DXY. Look at that. Gold straight back up. I'm not convinced enough to re-enter. I want to see how that hourly candle is going to close. We've had quite a strong drop off on the 15-minute. One candle straight down. Half hour candle. Half hour candle looks okay. That's a pretty nasty wick, that. Tell you what, gold, like, there's never a dull day with gold. You know, gold will hit your stop and then go straight back up into profit again. You know what I mean, guys? In any case, that was our setup. We played the setup, and it's that simple. Let's see if gold wants to come lower. I've got one last position left on gold. The smaller position for gold, I've moved the SL to this low. So, still in that one. But to be honest, I'm not sure what gold wants to do right now. Because the dollar is dropping. Even Bitcoin looks like it wants to push up as well. Wow, gold. Really? Was all of that really necessary if you're going to push up anyways? Huh? Tell me, was all of that really necessary? Gold needs to pattern up, honestly. Okay, so we've been stopped out, right, by I think 1 pip. Yeah, I think we've been stopped out by a single pip. 1.5, 1.6 pips. That was the difference maker. That's insane. Anyways, we'll find a re-entry here on gold if it is going to push up, but let's take a look. I want to see it actually confirm that it wants to push up. The new hour, well, the new hour candle is going to open in 1.5 minutes. Gift says, bro, the Asia session was litty last night, early morning, and this / early morning. Yeah, it was crazy. It was really, really crazy for gold, for Bitcoin. Like, there was still a lot of movements. I think Trump had a speech that he was doing last night. Mark says my stop was 29.32 on the dot. I'm still in the trade. Lucky you, bro. I don't know if this is I'm not too sure if gold is gonna push up anymore, but just be careful with that for now. But you're good. Let's just see how it does, because to be honest, when you look at the 15-minute, we didn't close beneath the area, we just wicked it. Like, wicks do the damage, the body tells the story, so we can definitely still push up. Like, there's the potential for that happening. But right now, with how the candles have printed so far, it's not giving me that much confidence to say, okay, cool, this buy or this was a really good area to go long from. Gift says, bro, this is why sometimes I don't want to put SL, especially if I'm going to be managing the trade. I know this is bad, but it happens most of the time. I mean, yeah, I get you. Until that's the thing though. Like, you'll be good probably 95% of the time, but then that 5% of the time where there's a random news or Trump says something or there's an airstrike in whatever country, right? The wick that you'll get is the maddest wick you'll ever see, and that's the wick that blows your account. You know what I mean? New hour candles here. We need to make the high of the hour the low of the hour. Like, what I'm concerned about for gold right now, let me go to the bigger screen. Hopefully, right, ideally we want to see this hour take out the last hour's high, right? But how this candle's closed, what this is actually telling me is we're going to make the high of the hour somewhere around here in this area here, and then the low of the hour is going to come down. That's what I'm seeing right now. We're going to create the high of the hour, and then we're going to create the low of the hour somewhere around here, and then potentially drop down lower. Let's see how it does. Like, this candle closure is not giving me confidence to say that this will be a buy or the next hourly candle is also going to be bullish. You know, it's not like the candles that we had here yesterday. Bitcoin is dropping off again, guys. Bitcoin is dropping off again. Now look at that half-hour picture, right, on gold right now. It looks pretty bearish. I'd say let's sit on our hands, guys. Let's sit on our hands. If you're still in trades, I'll just not put any more trades in for now. Like if this is going to be a buy, it's going to show you that it wants to be a buy. If this is going to be a sell, it's going to show you that it wants to be a sell. So let's just wait. Let's see if this thing wants to be a buy. Mark says new 1 hour candle. Bitcoin is dropping off. Bitcoin is literally falling off a cliff right now. Let's go in. Look at that 5-minute candle. Honestly, this area for Bitcoin, the amount of sells, insane. Okay, so we got 25 minutes till the stock open. I still like this area for a buy, but it's very indecisive right now. I'm looking at a 5-minute candle here. Gold. It definitely is progressive. I'll give it that. The 5-minute candle is progressive.
If you want to make a full-time income from home working part-time, you need to know this one concept because there
Gold's trying to draw you in, guys. Gold is 100% trying to draw you in. I'm telling you. Gold is trying to draw you in. Saying buy, buy, take that buy. Take that buy. Let's see. Because right now, DXY is pushing up. Gold is pushing up with it. Even if this does push up, right? We'll find another re-entry. For sure. Ooh, half-hour candle looks pretty good, you know. Half-hour candle looks pretty good. Half-hour candle looks pretty good for the buyers. I'm not trying to get drawn in. Check the SL for this. There she goes. Let me check the chat. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait. If I can close a couple of positions near entry, I will. I will stay and go by. I will send a picture in Discord with a candle of 1 hour pattern, 1 hour picture. The only thing that's giving me a little bit more confidence or a slightly better picture in gold is the half hour. Right, so if you look at the half hour on the line chart, high, high, low, this next half hour candle does look like it can give us a high. Right, especially when we look at the closure of this bearish candle. Most of the body is at the high. So there's a pretty good chance that we'll probably get a new half hour candle high. Now this doesn't mean that we'll get all-time highs, but the signs are there. You know, hourly picture as well. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that we got stopped out there, guys, to be honest with you. It is. It's unfortunate that this wanted to wick that price before pushing up. Because this is, if we didn't have such a deep wick, this is the price action that I was looking for the buy. You know, I do have one smaller position here open, but you know, gold, man, why don't you just play ball? Play ball, gold, man. Anyways, let's see what happens here now, if it's gonna drop off. Because even on the 5 minute, yeah, look, 5 minute, what have we done? Pushed up, create a high, pulled back, high, low. We need to make a new high on the 5 minute. Now, right now, what we've got here in the way, right, is this imbalance here. Well, this balanced price range, shall I say. So let's see if this is going to be sufficient for us to drop from, or we're going to push through it. But it looks pretty strong at the moment. Yeah, half hour picture looks amazing. Half hour candle looks really good. Yeah, man, we've been stopped out by literally 1.6 pips. Say 1.5 pips. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. Okay.
With Google Workspace, Calendar lets you share your latest availability, so customers can book time on your calendar without any back and forth. That's appointment scheduling made easy.
I've just moved my stop to break even on one of my smaller positions, because where we're currently sitting, right, even if we are looking at this area, fine.
Start investing is with XTB, because their money works for you as active or passive investments.
Right, if this sell is going to continue for gold, this is a pretty decent area for the sell to continue from.
Be careful, investing involves the risk of losing money and may not be suitable for you.
So let's just bear that in mind. Okay, pushing through. Gold, you can be really annoying sometimes, huh? You know? You can be really annoying sometimes. That's 30 pips right there. 30 pips. Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit as well. Alright, stock open in 16 minutes. 16, 17 minutes. Alright. Mark says in the chat box, yeah, I'm gonna wait. If I can close a couple of positions near entry, I will. I closed most in profit, got a runner left. Nice one, bro. Set at break even. Lovely, Mark. Luck this one, bro, to be honest. Usually my SL is where JD says, but for some reason it was a little bit lower. Yeah, you definitely dodged the bullet today. I stayed out, was tempted to go for a buy, but moved way too quick. Don't worry, bro. Look, if gold's gonna be a buy, we're gonna find another entry. We just need the picture to, you know, print and become a little bit clearer, and we'll execute again. We already had a picture. Like, the one thing is, yeah, you don't want to be that guy where you have a setup, the setup price is finally coming to your setup and you don't play it, and then it flies into profit. In this scenario, if you had a setup and you played it and then it would have hit SL, you would be like, phew, yeah, that was the right thing to do. But in my opinion, the right thing for you to do is actually take the loss. The reason why I say is for you to take the loss is you don't want to get into the habit of getting setups and not taking it. You just need to just place the trade, because remember, it's probabilities at the end of the day. Whether you're going to hit TP or SL, it's a probability. So your probability then becomes skewed if you're not taking every single one of your setups. Because think about it, if you've got, let's just say, like a 60% or 50% win ratio, yeah, if then you start to, let's say you got 10 trades, you're going to win 5 of them, you got a 1 to 3 R&R, yeah, at least 5 out of those 10 trades hit TP, you'll be profitable. But then if you got those same 10 trades and you say to yourself, I'm not going to take 3 out of those 10, now your data, right, is skewed, because now instead of you having 10 trades, you now have 7 trades. So then your win rate, your win percentage now changes. Because what if now you win 4 out of 3? 4 out of 7. What if you win 5 out of 7? Now your win percentage changes from 50% to 60%, sometimes to 20%, sometimes. Do you understand? So if it's your setup and it matches your criteria for you to actually take the trade, just take the trade. Sometimes it's unfortunate that we're gonna hit stop. It is what it is. It is what it is. But right now, price is currently holding, whereas it's sitting. And the volume for dollars, wow, it's kind of fizzled out as well. Let's see, still got 15 minutes left. Next 15-minute candle. Okay, so we've just had the new 15-minute candle open. 15-minute picture. Okay, if we look at the previous candle, we've pulled back. The next 15-minute candle can actually drop a lot lower. However, there's also a good chance for it to take the highs. But let's see how it does. I'm not really trying to place any trades right now. The picture is not clean, it's not clear. We already took a setup, it hit our stop, so just gonna stay on the sidelines for now. We still got FOMC, we still got tomorrow, Thursday. What do we have for Thursday anyways, guys? What do we have for Thursday? What do we have for Thursday? What do we have for tomorrow? Tomorrow we've got initial jobless claims.
Remind 50 managers to complete their reviews and somehow get it all done in 2 weeks.
We got initial jobless claim. Get rid of this. We got initial jobless claims, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing, and we've got crude oil inventories. Okay, it's not bad. I mean, initial jobless claims do usually give a little bit of a reaction inside our markets anyway, so we'll work with that. I wonder if we're just gonna pop through here. Nope, we're not gonna pop through there. Cool. Huge bearish candle. That's interesting. Bitcoin is dropping off as well. Today might just be a day to just trade Bitcoin, you know. Look at that. Gold is gold doesn't want people to buy it. Gold really doesn't want people to buy it. Look at that nasty candle. Half-hour pictures completely flipped in an instant. Half-hour picture closes in 10 minutes. Yeah, 15-minute candles, very bearish. Let's see if we'll take out the low. Yeah, good thing everyone went break even before that candle came, for sure. Can you notice how the DXY's candles have just gone quiet? It's literally just gone quiet. It's not progressing up, it's not progressing down, it's just gone quiet. And gold keeps printing bullish candles and then a really big bearish candle. Yeah, I might just stay out of the way of this one until a little bit later, maybe around 3 or 4 p.m. see if gold is actually playing ball now, because all these tests of these areas I'm not a big fan of, you know. And besides, when you ask yourself the question, is like, yeah, you know, we've got all-time highs, but there's definitely, you know, yesterday was just straight buys. You know, we could definitely do it coming down lower, especially even Monday. You know, there's a pretty nice area where I want to look for a buy from. This candle here at 28.99. That's a pretty nice area I'd want to look for a buy from, but you know, we're here. You know, gold is just trying to draw you in. Don't get me wrong, gold can definitely still be a buy from where it is now, for sure. But do you want to really be in the headache of the uncertainty? Because look, let's just say, for example, right, when gold stopped out, started pulling back up, you went in for a buy, went into profit, moved your stops to break even, you're waiting for it to push into more profit and then just sold off again. Are you realistically going to enter another buy again? That's what you've kind of got to ask yourself the question. Are you going to buy again? For me, if my SL, right, was still here and I didn't move my SL to break even when we pushed up here, then cool, I'll just chill in the trade because I don't have a choice. But because we are seeing how gold is currently printing, right, it's giving bullish, bearish, much bigger bearish candles, bullish, much bigger bearish candles. Like, okay, cool, there's clearly uncertainty right now at the level, so let me manage the trade by either reducing risk or covering my entry altogether, right? So for us right now, we just need to wait and just chill. You know, yesterday we had some very, very good trades yesterday, so I'm not really too fussed. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Gold's gone. Yeah, gold wants to drop lower. Okay, cool. Cool, I've seen enough. Seen enough. Seen enough gold. I hear you. Alright, let's look for shorts, guys. Let's see if we can find a short. Let's see if we can find a short. Wow, that half-hour candle, crazy. That hourly candle, like I said to you guys, yeah, we'll probably create the high of the hour somewhere here, and then the low just drops. The half-hour candle did look very good to continue as it was printing, but right now that it's flipped, we're heading to the lower room. So we can look to see if the next 15-minute candle can give a little bit of a pullback and then continuation. So form the high of the 15 minutes somewhere around here, and then the low of the 15 minutes somewhere around here, and then the next 15-minute candle continue to drop lower. If we can get that picture, it will be much better, right? And even when we look at the low, the foot of this candle here, the foot of this candle is 29.35, right? 29.35, 29.36. We've got a little 2-minute candle inside of there as well. It's not bad. They're not bad candles. Look, here's the thing. We can definitely get a short off of that little 2-minute area, but I'm going to stay out of the way. To be completely frank with you, I'm staying out of the way. Gold's really messy right now. Okay, we've got 5 minutes till the stock open. NAS is continuing to drop. Let's see if gold's going to continue. Sorry, not gold. Bitcoin's going to continue to drop now. Guys, if you're watching the live stream, you're enjoying the live stream so far, appreciate you guys for joining me on the live stream. I will be live streaming on Discord later on tonight for FOMC. It's going to be a Discord exclusive. So if you're not inside of my Discord, the link to my free Discord is in the description box down below. And whilst you're down there, drop a like on the video. Gold is trapping us, lol. Bro, just don't enter. Do you know what I mean? Gold is literally, I get what you're saying. Gold is just doing a lot. Gold is doing a lot. In the past hour and 20, gold's literally, right, shot up, let's just say 80 pips. Shot down 40, shot back up 50, 40, shot down 85 pips, shot back up another 70 pips, and shot back down, you know, 90 pips and still going. Okay, so gold does look like it wants to head down lower, right? If gold is going to head down lower, what is closest to us? We got Tokyo's low, right? We got Tokyo's low as a target. Right now, we've tried to see if we are onside or offside, and you know, we were going for the buys, but then we're clearly offside when it came to the buys. So let's look for some shorts. So far, we got this half-hour candle that's printed. If we can get a bit more of a bearish half-hour candle, maybe the next one comes down a little bit, the next half-hour gets a pullback, and then we can look to go short for Tokyo's low. That's going to be the target for the shorts. I am tempted to enter a short on the 2-minute. To be honest with you, I am tempted for sure. Okay, that's almost a 1 to 3R. That's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. If we can get this up to about halfway of the imbalance. I don't mind this setup. I don't mind this setup at all. I'm gonna start taking small shorts on gold. To be honest, guys, like this is not high probability. Because look, to be honest, if we zoom out, because gold has already taken out all-time highs, I didn't expect yesterday's push to really go for all-time highs because we're around here, and I thought Tokyo session will start to drop off, and then today's London will get a push up, NY get a pullback, and then bust all-time highs. But boy, it's been in a world of its own recently. Gold, Bitcoin has also continued to push up. I mean, look, we're waiting for New York Stock Exchange open, and we'll go from there. Alright, taking a little short there on gold. If gold pops the high now, yeah, we're done. I'll be honest, we're done. If gold pops the high, if gold pops this high here, we're done. I'm gonna end the stream there if gold pops the high. Let's see what gold wants to do, guys. Okay, good reaction so far. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't really want to get too confident, because gold is just, boy, today is not a good day to trade gold, boy. I'll tell you that for free. I'm already in this short here for gold. Let's see. Boy, this is so indecisive right now. If we pop this high, I'm done. I'm done until later. if we pop this high. Look at that, the dollar's pushing down. Okay, nice drop, nice drop, nice drop. It's TP1. I might go BE on this. Yeah, I'm going BE. Let's see this 5-minute candle, how it's gonna close. Ooh, it's rejecting back up now. It's literally flying straight back up. I'm gonna give it a second before I move it. If we don't drop off again in the 1 minute, give it a second. Let's see. I put a picture in the Discord about the BTC trade I was mentioning. Alright, bro, let me take a look at that. Okay, so you got a flag. Oh, so the flag pattern you're talking about is like a breakout strategy, yeah? So you're either looking for it to break out the highs, pull back, and continue. Okay, I got you, bro. I think gold looks good to come down. Bitcoin is pushing up.
Maybe I'm just fucked up. I just wanna know if you my friend. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight.
Alright, I'm going break even on the gold trades. Let's see if this can stretch lower. Pardon me.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. My killer
Gold be golden, guys. Gold be golden. Now straight back up there on gold. What's tricky right now is like the dollar, yeah? We don't know. Like, it's not clear if the dollar wants to push up or will come down. Alright, 5 minute looks progressive to the downside. There's not much. Guys, I wish today was, you know, was giving us slightly better price action, but it's just not. It's just not doing it. Now, gold, if you're gonna go for it, just go for it. Guys, this is not doing anything. I'll be honest. It's just wicking. Joe says gold is bugging for real. Not clear at all right now. Trust me. Gold is absolutely bugging. That is the right word for it today, boy. Look, here's what we're going to do. We're just going to sit on the sides. Wait for FOMC. And then we'll make a move from there. Because this is not really doing much. You know? It's not really doing much. You know, if you want to drop, drop. If you want to push, push. But it's doing both. You know, like I said to you guys earlier, we pushed up 80 pips, pushed down 40, pushed up 40, pushed down 90 pips, pushed up 70 pips, pushed down 90 pips, pushed back up what looks like 40 pips now. And it's like, yo, I'm tired. You're not giving any continuations whatsoever. So we'll just leave it at that. Yeah. Money day, guys. I will see you all later on in the evening for FOMC. Peace. And hopefully FOMC, you know, gives us a little bit better price action. Money day, guys.